everyone, I am Roshni and today with the Property Cloud, we are going to talk about a premium high-rise residential project in one of the Hyderabad's rapidly growing location, Rajpushpa Sierra. If you are looking for a home that offers modern design, spacious planning and a premium lifestyle, then this project is definitely worth checking out. In this video, we will cover the project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers and much more. Let's start with a quick overview of the project. So Rajpushpa Sierra is a large-scale gated community that's thoughtfully designed for modern urban families. The project is being developed with multiple towers and blocks, and there is a strong focus on spacious layout and a better movement within the building. One standout feature is the wide 6.6-foot corridor, which improves ventilation and overall comfort. The tower comes with a modern elevation backed by the trusted construction quality of Rajpushpa. Being a gated community, it offers both security and privacy while also creating a strong sense of community living. Now coming to the location and connectivity, so Rajpushpa Sierra is located in one of the Hyderabad's fast-growing luxury corridor with a good access to IT hub and daily essential. Major IT hubs and business parks are around 15 minutes away. Schools and educational institutes are within 10 minutes and hospitals are about 15 minutes from the project. Shopping malls and entertainment zones can be reached in around 20 minutes while main roads and highways are just 10 minutes away. So whether it's work or daily convenience, everything is within comfortable reach. Talking about the amenities and lifestyle, so this project goes beyond just offering homes. It creates a complete lifestyle ecosystem. Residents get access to a grand clubhouse, swimming pool, a fully equipped gym. There are landscape garden, indoor games and recreation zones, and a multi-purpose hall for community events. Security is well taken care of with a 24/7 surveillance, and the overall idea is to offer a lifestyle that's comfortable, active and especially engaging. Now let's take a look at the pricing and configuration. So the project offers both 2 BHK and 3 BHK apartments. The 2 BHK units come with a carpet area ranging from 932 to 1199 square feet and the build-up areas from 1295 to 1665 square feet with all-in price between 1.15 crore rupees and 1.50 crore rupees onwards. The 3 BHK units are larger with a carpet area from 1332 to 1839 square feet and the build-up area from 1850 to 2555 square feet priced between 1.67 crore rupees onwards. And these configurations are suitable for both mid-size and larger families looking for a spacious home. Finally, the booking process is quite straightforward. You start by scheduling a site visit, then select your preferred unit and tower, pay a token amount to block it and complete the agreement and documentation. Demand for this project is steadily increasing, so getting in early could give you better choices and pricing advantage. So if you would like the brochure, latest pricing or to schedule a site visit, you can check the link in the description. And if you enjoy such premium property videos, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developer for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services and much more.